rebuild the ruins. Renew the heart, O Yahweh, builder of generations. You have seen the stones of Zion scattered in the dust. You have counted the fallen gates, yet you have not turned away from the city you chose. Breathe again, O Ruach, wind of life. Move through the ruins as once you moved upon the waters. Lift the heavy beams of despair and lay again the foundations of covenant love within us. Our tears have watered these streets. Our songs have been the mortar between broken walls. Now let faithfulness stand like a tower, and peace rest upon her gates. Gather the dispersed like wheat into one granary, and let hope take root even in the ashes. We are your stones,
O Yahweh,
quarried from every nation, fitted together by your hand. Each bears the mark of the chisel and the shine of your mercy. Build us into a house for your dwelling, a living temple where emunah, steadfast trust, is the cornerstone. And love the light within every chamber. When the trumpet sounds from Zion's hill, let the peoples awaken to its call. Let the city rise clothed in your glory, and the covenant loyal ones sing.
Yahweh has rebuilt his city. His mercy stands forever.
From ruin, he has drawn forth praise, and from scattered hearts, a single song.